Here's how you can add stickers to keyboard on iOS. So adding stickers on your keyboard in your iOS, it's very simple. So let me show you the quick process. If I open up my iMessages and tap on this text message, as you can see there is an option of emoji. So you just have to tap on this and go for show sticker. As you can see, you can go with any one of these stickers if you like, but if you want to add the new sticker, you just have to tap on this sticker icon, which is the second option, and tap on this new sticker. As you can see, I have added this right here, and it also has started glowing our sticker, which is AI, of course. So you just have to tap on this add sticker on the bottom right, and if I tap on this now, tap on send, I can now send the sticker in my chat as well. So hope this helped. This is how you can add stickers to keyboard on iOS. Make sure to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.